Hello everyone, welcome back to Driver's High. Today we're taking a closer look at the much anticipated 2026 BMW X2, and trust me, you're going to want to buckle up for this one. First off, BMW isn't messing around when it comes to keeping the X2's edgy, coupe-inspired profile. The 2026 model sharpens those aggressive lines, giving you a sleek, sporty stance that practically begs you to carve corners. But underneath that bold exterior, BMW is packing in some serious tech upgrades. Under the hood, you'll still find two turbocharged four-cylinder engines, but expect a bit more pep than last year. The base engine delivers smooth, efficient power for your daily drives, while the sportier tune kicks things up a notch. Think quicker throttle response and a little extra horsepower for those open-road thrills. And yes, all-wheel drive remains standard, so you'll have confidence whether you're tackling twisty mountain roads or cruising through the city. Step inside, and BMW's revamped the cockpit to feel both luxurious and driver-focused. Picture a floating center console with tactile controls paired with an updated infotainment screen that's more intuitive than before. Gone are the days of wrestling with complicated menus. Instead, you'll find a streamlined interface that puts navigation, media, and vehicle settings right at your fingertips. Connectivity is top-notch, too, with seamless smartphone integration and over-the-air updates to keep your system fresh. Practicality hasn't been sacrificed for style. Cargo space stays competitive for the segment, so you can load up your weekend gear without a second thought. Rear headroom remains cozy. This is still a sporty crossover after all. But the trade-off is that swoopy roofline that turns heads everywhere you go. And on the safety front, BMW's including the latest driver assist features as standard: lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking, to name a few. As for timing, industry insiders peg the release for the first quarter of 2026, with pricing starting around the mid-$40,000 range and climbing into the mid-$50s, 000S for fully loaded trims. That puts it right in line with other luxury subcompact crossovers, but with the added flair and performance that BMW fans crave. So there you have it. The 2026 BMW X2 promises to be an exciting evolution of an already standout model. With sharper styling, improved engines, and a more user-friendly interior, it's shaping up to be a top contender in its class. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a ride. Safe travels, and we'll see you next time on Driver's High.